food. Let me take a seat here. Yeah, super happy with the place. As soon as we arrived, the attendant came and met us out front and even took our bags for us. We actually didn't even bring it up to our rooms. They provided that service for us. And Jason and I were like, whoa, they're speeding us right up to check-in. So as soon as we got to check-in, they gave us welcome drinks. I think the attendant Lee or Lai, she was the one who welcomed us in and then gave us some tips about our stay in Hoi An in general. And I think she's even going to text me some recommendations for places to shop, eat around town, because apparently there's a lot to choose from. And yeah, very happy with our room. We got upgraded to a city and riverfront with a balcony, which thank you very much, Agoda. So we're very thankful for that, because our original booking had us on the 8th floor and we had to take the elevator up to the 7th and then an extra set of stairs to the 8th. Although I wish I was a little bit higher, I'm very thankful for the side that we are at, because some of the reviews say that if you stay on the opposite side, facing, I guess, the other side of the river that has a motorbike bridge, that bridge can be quite loud, especially at night. And so we're thankful that our view is of the pool, the front pool, and the river. So I'm walking. Checking in. Anyway, I'm checking in post. We're just taking some shots around the grounds. It's very pretty. I like all the floral lanterns. There was a way we could bring one home. Oof. Anyway, we're gonna walk to Old Town or Old Quarter? Old Town? One of those? Before it starts raining, because the weather forecast says it's gonna rain today and tomorrow.
It went from 75% to 100.
So, we better get to it, but it's so pretty, we stop. Overwhelming and so many, it's like so much sensory overload. This night market is quite insane. I don't even know where to look. I don't even know what to smell. I don't even know what to buy. It's either really cute or something that doesn't fit in my suitcase.
for your husband. He's
So
amazing.
we've been walking around the ancient town of Hoi An. Have we? This?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, we've been walking around and we stumbled upon this shop because I was like, ooh, look at these bags. But wait, look at this sign. It's a really smart marketing move there. 'Cause
Excellent.
the bags do actually look really nice.
They do.
And Jason likes beer, so
Wow.
wow.
It's like it's made for us,
I
right?
knew we were gonna stop by this store. Hi friends, so we reached one end of Old Town and it's where the wet markets are because you can smell it, and we're actually right next to the other side of the river, I believe,
Yes.
or further down our other side. Anyway, so we're gonna try and sneak our way back to where we started. Into something that you're scared of today.
Yes. Check.
I actually don't know how to swim. So this is quite, when I first got on it was very shaky, but they gave us life jackets and we got 5 lanterns, so enjoy the ride with me.
Yeah.